Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox one of my personal favorite uh, ride, I guess, from one of my personal favorite sitcom series, which is this one. So this is the Starship Enterprise from the series Star Trek. This is from the original series, and this lights up actually. So okay, this is by what is that brand? Let me show you guys. Yeah, Running Press. This is by Running Press. I think I bought this for around 1000 rupees. So I do have a couple more items from Running Press. One, I unboxed that pickle Rick long back. There's one more which is on the way. I will show that you guys once I get it. That is my personal favorite character, so you guys might know it now. So, and I don't know what is the other thing. I think that's it. Right when I unboxed that pickle Rick one, it had this voice commands, and I mean voice that sounds, like that pickle Rick says, "Hey, I'm pickle Rick," something like that. So I really loved that one. So immediately I thought, okay, the moment I saw this, I wanted to buy this. So this is how much it is costing in US and Canada. So I bought this for around 1035 or 1100 rupees, around that range. Okay, so since we already opened, I will show you this, guys. Okay, this one actually comes with a small booklet and uh, figurine, I say. I don't know what to say. Okay, so nothing else inside the box. I'm just keeping this box aside for a minute. Okay, so here is the booklet. So it has the detailing on detailing about this series and the ship. So if you guys want, you can pause and read it. Actually, these are really neat. I'm not sure how many people actually buys these things. I personally love these things. I'm see, but unfortunately in India, literally saw this recently. I never saw this before in any of the sites or anywhere in India. So I was happy that I bought this. Okay, let me just put this inside the box. I don't want to miss it. Okay, here is the product information. So this is replaceable batteries and all. Nothing much. Okay, let's open this. So here it is. Okay, don't worry guys, it is not broken. This usually this comes in couple of separate pieces. So this one is the base, and this has the logo itself. That looks really cool, right? I really wish they Running Press sold this logo alone separately, like with a clickable button. Okay, so this piece here, this is a head. You can see the light here. Let me assemble and turn on the light. You can see the light switch, and there's a battery compartment here. You can remove the batteries if you don't want to. Okay, this is also, yeah, that is also a light, or at least something the light to pass through. So these are actually plastic. Yeah, these are plastic, and I think this is a warp drive, I can say. Okay, this looks really cool. This is also plastic, so we just need to slide this in. Let me do this. Okay, so it fits like this, and okay, let's see the detailing here. So the detailing looks really nice, and it looks really cool. I mean, I was looking to get this one for very long. So originally I was looking for a Hot Wheels, but obviously they will hype up the price so much. But this one, it really nailed everything, the detailing, and specifically the light up part. That was really cool one. Let me show you that. The paint job and everything looks really perfect. I don't have any issue with it. Okay, let's. I hope you guys can see it. Let me just try to turn off these lights. Okay, I hope you guys can able to see it now. It lights up here in all these places. That is really neat. I really wanted to showcase this in pitch black darkness, but I need to get up and walk there, and I need to come back without getting hurt by anything which I'm keeping in the path. So I didn't do that. Okay, this is really cool. I am so glad I went with this one. Okay, let me just turn those lights on. Okay, so let's put this in the base. Here it is. That is really nice. Okay, let me just weigh this one. How much is it? This is very light actually. 21 grams, not bad at all. I was expecting somewhere around 15 to 18 grams. Excuse. So if you guys are a Star Trek fan, this is available in, I think, in Amazon, if I'm not wrong. You can get it from there. I hope it is still available. Our mission has been completed for today, guys. Live long and prosper. Spark out.